Behind every reliable analytics project is a process that ensures accuracy, repeatability, and actionable outcomes. That process is Decovanai. Hi, I am Subhashini, and today we will discuss the stepwise process to follow for any new analytics project. In this stage, we clearly define the business problem and objectives. Example: an HR team may want to predict employee attrition. The definition must be precise. Are we predicting voluntary exits? Which time horizon? Clarity here avoids scope creep and rework later. Once defined, the next step is to collect relevant data. For attrition prediction, this might include demographic data, tenure, performance ratings, engagement scores, and exit interview results. The advantage of following this step is ensuring data completeness. Missing a variable like last promotion date could compromise insights. After collection, we organize the data, cleaning, formatting, and integrating multiple sources. Example: payroll data may come from SAP, engagement scores from Qualtrics, and demographics from an HRMS. Organizing ensures consistent formats and eliminates duplication. This avoids garbage in, garbage out errors. Visualization translates raw data into interpretable insights. For HR attrition, dashboards may show attrition trends by department, tenure group, or gender. By visualizing, we uncover patterns. Say, higher attrition in employees with less than 2 years of service. Analysis applies statistical or machine learning techniques to extract meaning. For instance, running a logistic regression or random forest to identify drivers of attrition, engagement score, manager changes, or compensation lag. This step moves us from what is happening to why it's happening. Finally, the insight stage distills findings into business recommendations. Example: analysis may reveal that employees without promotions in 3 years are 2.5x more likely to exit. The actionable insight could be: implement a career progression program to reduce attrition risk. This is where analytics translates into impact. Quality assurance. Systematic steps reduce errors and rework. Completeness. Avoids missing critical variables or overlooking relationships. Traceability. Each step can be audited, ensuring accountability. Scalability. A structured process allows the same framework for marketing, finance, HR, or operations analytics. Actionability. Ensures results are not just numbers but meaningful strategies. By applying Decovanai, organizations don't just crunch numbers. They create a data-driven culture where insights guide strategy, improve decision quality, and deliver measurable business value. If you have any queries, leave a comment and we can discuss. We are now ready to start hands-on project work.